when you think it's going to be a normal day, a rock golem attacks. At least we got new headphones.
Hey Mom, can I watch my pad for a bit?
Okay, you can watch your pad for a bit.
I can't hear Bodie's baby show. Mom, can I have my headphones?
Here you go, babe.
I love these old headphones, but I just wish I could be another animal. Oh, I know! I will order some new ones. Let me get my pad. Oh, okay. Okay, I'll just have to wait for a bit. What? They're here already? Oh, let me get my package right on the side. Okay. Oh, we got two. Oh, good. Oh, good. They must have got a second one, too. They have speakers, too? Cool. Huh, what the heck's going on at the neighbor's house? Is that rock on? I better go tell Griffin. Ooh, new headphones. Got marked out. Hey Griffin, they gotta use some too. Wow. Hey Griffin, and there's some monster outside. Yeah, and one on the window.
Alright, Poppy and Gripman, could you guys walk us through some of the features that these have?
So, they have speakers and they light up, but they have limited volume.
Yeah, so you don't get your ears hurt. What? What? Griffy! Don't believe that. There are robot cat, professional quality.
Ready?
You're right. Let's open them. Let's open them, guys.
Hold on. Look at it. Pink. I'm pink.
Yeah.
Pink on there.
Oh, that's like
And
exactly
then
like
Griffin
that.
has blue, and Griffin has blue.
All right, Griffy, open it up, bud. What'd you get? Oh, I like that color. Those look good. Oh, Griffy, nice. Are you a cat? Oh, Pop. Those are so cute.
I'm cat here, Now I'm a cat.
These are amazing. So you have got also the old-fashioned headphone plugs if you need them, and this nice wall charger plugs into a USB right into your socket, and the headphone for when you're gaming. Gotta talk to your boys and girls.
Hey guys,
Yeah,
we have to charge them.
we gotta charge them, right? Yep.
Before we put them in the robots.
Yep, we gotta charge them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't have any games that I can do that.
We're gonna figure that out.
All right, friends, you can order these robot LED cat ears at Amazon, and you'd be crazy not to. They have limited volume, so they won't hurt your kids' ears. Microphone, LED flashing, a cool foldable design for storage, and they're durable. What are you waiting for?
First thing we should do is try these puppies on. I'm not glad we kids. I'm feeling something. These headphones, they've given us a power to turn into robots. I guess yours is like that voice says.
Yeah, robot twins.
Oh yeah, I'm going to what car?
All right, guys, it's me, Dad. I'm just over here holding the camera, watching all this action unfold. It's Griffin. He's right. He turned into a red car. Looks like Bumblebee from the Transformers, right? And then, oh my gosh, here's Poppy. Wow, she looks like a beast. She looks like she's seriously ready to take on a rock golem. Romance Griffin has unleashed one of his mini bots and it let loose a bomb. Oh, will Gonna be able to take this? No way, he's down for the count. Look at him run away like a chump. Man, these headphones are even better than we thought.
Teach him. That will teach him. Thanks for the free headphones.
One more time, go.
Thanks for the free headphones.
Hey, wait a minute. You guys weren't gonna leave without clicking like and subscribe, were ya? Go ahead now.
Always like to have a little nature with every video. Here is a praying mantis, folks.
I touched him.
Look at that. Now, one of the These guys are absolutely apex predators. They're the ultimate warriors amongst animals their size. But the craziest thing of all is that if they absolutely need to, they can fly. Who knew? I want you to show me what your fight would be like, because I know you want to like... Oh!